What are forwards? So, investor in currencies have diverse needs and interests in the market. Much of those needs are met in the spot market, where a significant volume, let's assume like 600 billion per day, occurs. But a significant portion of the market, see around, let's say 60% or 900 billion per day, needs currency trades that mature past the spot rate. So this is forward transaction are defined by a settlement date beyond the standard 2-day spot settlement. So forward transaction have settlement date beyond the standard 2-day spot settlement. Forward settlement can range anywhere from 3 days to 3 years. So, what are forwards? Forwards are an agreement between two counterparties to exchange currency at a predetermined rate on some future date. So, this is the keyword. The first one is predetermined. Rate, and the second one is future date. Since any foreign exchange transaction automatically involves two currencies, two interest rates are necessary. The dominant interest rate and the secondary interest rate. So we have dominant interest rate and secondary interest rate. Examples of the dominant or secondary interest rate would include like Euro versus USD or USD versus Japanese yen. Forward can include outrights and swaps. Outright and swaps. An outright is a spot transaction for a future date, past the spot date. It is a derivative product consisting of a spot transaction combined with a forward spread. So this is spot transaction combined with forward spread. The spot portion of the transaction is more volatile than the forward portion, so most of the price action will occur in that portion of the outright. A swap is simultaneous buying and selling of the same currency with a counterparty with each leg maturing on a different date. So this is like simultaneous buying and selling of the same currency with a counterparty with each leg maturing on a different date. The near leg of swap can be either spot settlement, a traditional swap, or for forward settlement, a forward. A swap is a combination of a spot deal and a forward outright. So this is the combination of spot deal and forward outright. To arrive at a forward rate at which to deal, forward points are applied to the spot rate. Forward points may be either positive or negative and are a function of the interest rate differential between two currencies in which you are dealing and the maturity of the trade. So, forward points. You can say is the function of interest rate differential, and maturity of the trade. So this is interest rate differential between two currencies in which you are dealing. Forward points do not represent an expectation of the direction of currency, but rather the interest rate differential.